What's going on, guys? Bruce here at Bullish Currency, back at you with another Kishu update. It's been a little while, but not much has happened. Of course, before we get into the good news, the bad news, and some good old chart analysis to see where we might be by next week, next month, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. That way, you can be notified every single time a video is updated or there is a video released. And as always, guys, everything we share here is entertainment education. It's not financial advice, right? So do your due diligence and be safe out there in these crazy crypto spaces. There's definitely profits to be made, though. So without further ado, let's get right to the bag. So here we go. Kishu, right? Green, overall, nothing crazy, right? Numbers aren't ridiculous right now. Definitely want to pay attention and check on the news to see what might be happening over there right now. So see what's going on. 24-hour trading hour jumped by 200%, re-enters top 10 coins bought by ETH Whales. So it re-entered the top 10 5 days ago, but we talked about that in the last video. So a lot of people are putting their money in there. Now, I think Saitama Inu is another one we got to get back on, focus on a little bit. But let's go ahead and take a look at the holders to see what's going on here. Still a steady incline, which is what we like to see. So I like what I'm seeing here. We're still over 250,000, holding strong and still on a bullish incline, right? As far as holders, the army is growing, which matters with these type of tokens, community-based driven tokens. So that's a good sign, as always. Let's get right into chart analysis. So we're looking at the daily. So as you can see, we're right back on our strong support area. We're right above it, kind of retesting it. And currently, the current daily candle, which still has about 16 hours plus left, is bullish. So what I see here, based on the last candle before that daily candle, the last one, I feel as if we're most likely going to end up pulling back up to this area, previous little resistance area up here between whatever, how many zeros that is, but 16 all the way up to about 18 is where we're going to end up. I believe by next week we should be back up there, looking bullish and forming maybe even a bullish pattern overall on the daily structure, on the daily time frame. As you can see, we're just retesting this previous little somewhat of a W pattern right here, just kind of retesting that area. And now we're on our way bullish still on the current weekly candle with 16 hours left, though, and shrinking, right? But I think it's going to close as a bigger bull. And between that candle and the last one, I believe this looks like a solid retest, and more than likely will maybe still range in this area. I don't think we're going to go lower. I think we're going to range right around here and maybe start to push up by next week is what I'm expecting. So by next week, we could definitely be on more of a plus side when it comes to where we are price-wise. And we see the daily. Yeah, I definitely think we're going to come back up to this resistance area. And anywhere from 18 all the way up to 30, I believe. That's a nice move too. From now until next week, that's a nice move. So this is a great area. If I never saw the project, never heard of it, this is a great area to have discovered it. This is where I would love to have taken it serious as well, because it's a great area to be. And you can see how that last couple of candles closed. And yeah, I mean, that's says a lot. That very long wick right there did not hold down there very well, end up being a bullish engulfing over a previous candle. So yeah, I think we're going to end up pushing up to about this 16 area and potentially all the way back up to that 30 area by the end of next week. Okay, so we're definitely going to keep an eye on that. I'm not sure what other news is going on in their community besides the same old, same old. I'm not sure if they updated anyone on Project K, but I got to look into that. I'll definitely bring an update video for that as well. But I wanted to show you guys the chart. We're in a green zone here. We're in a buy zone here. I do believe from here we should push up from now until next week and maybe beyond. Is this where the bullish run starts? I don't know. but we could range, but definitely going to be bullish from here, even if it is just a little bit. All right, guys. So until the next video, stay blessed and stay bullish.